welcome to our Winterberry floor plan. Come on in. This floor plan is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment at 732 square feet. From the entryway, you come into the living space. Very nice and open. This is the living room, 9-foot ceilings, tray ceiling in the living room with a ceiling fan. Right over here is an alcove where some might have a fireplace, some have this open space. Perfect area to put your entertainment center. This is the dining room. It features wainscoting here for a nice little homey touch and a chandelier. If you follow me this way, we'll check out the kitchen. All of our kitchens will feature slate GE appliances, and through this door here is the laundry room. All of our laundry rooms include a full-size washer and dryer. Follow me over here and we'll take a look at the pantry. Here you'll find the HVAC closet with the pantry right beside it. In it you'll find a few shelves for storage along with our valet trash can. Behind me here is one of the entrances into the bathroom. We'll check that out later. Now follow me to the bedroom. Here you'll find our bedroom. Very nice and spacious. Features a large window with some really great natural light. You'll find it features a ceiling fan. And this bedroom is a big enough size to include a king-size bed with 2 end tables and a dresser. If you want to follow me this way, we'll check out the closet. In here, you'll find it's very spacious and includes lots of shelves for all your storage needs. If you follow me this way, we'll enter into the bathroom from the bedroom, one of the first entrances. Here you'll find the large soaking garden tub. And then over here features a nice large vanity. And then we'll exit the second entrance into the bathroom, and we're back into the living space. If you want to follow me, we'll take a look at our patio. All of our apartments do come with a patio and a storage closet. This patio is a nice size. You could put a small table and chairs out here and take a look at the space in your storage closet. Alrighty, if you want to follow me back inside, we are back in the living space. And that is our Winterberry for you. If you have any questions, want to know current availability, please feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email. We're here to help you.